everybody, welcome to my channel where I share easy and affordable beauty tutorials. Today I want to show you guys how I've been installing my wigs behind my hairline. I've seen so many videos saying that this hairstyle is really high maintenance, it doesn't easily blend, and I just want to share how I've been doing it because I love this hairstyle. But let me show you guys what I'm doing. So I'm taking a closure wig and I'm actually going to sew it down. So I started off with 2 anchor braids, and then the hair behind the anchor braids, I just have it in a low braid and I just kind of stuff it into the wig. I'm not even wearing a wig cap. You definitely can do a braid down or a wig cap, totally up to you, but I like my hairstyles to be kind of quick and easy. So I'm starting off by sewing the wig down onto that braid, and I bring my I sew all the way up to the lace. So I've done this style on full lace wigs and I've done it with closures. It's definitely easier to do with a closure. One issue that may arise when it comes to this hairstyle is your lace kind of lifting where it's not sewn down at, which is why I style my hair in the flip over style. But I still want to share how you can blend your hair if you do want a middle part. So for the middle part, you are going to need the black hairspray. You want to cover the lace and just kind of like the portion between your hair and the lace. I forgot to mention, but when you're sewing your wig down, especially if you want to wear a middle part, when you're sewing, you want to kind of pull the wig down to make sure that that part will be as flat as possible, because one issue that definitely comes up wearing it this way is the lace lifting up at the part that's not sewed down. So I do sew all the way up to the lace. I have even sewn on the lace all the way up to the part, but it still will kind of flap up there. So it is definitely a little more maintenance, but however, you want to make sure that you're kind of pulling it taut while you're sewing. Now, for the middle part, to blend it, definitely again use that black spray between your lace and the hairline, and then add a little bit of concealer to the hairline. You might even have to pluck the add a little bit of concealer to the parts. You might even have to pluck the part. It just depends on your wig. But I personally like to style my wig when I install it like this as a flip over style. You don't have to worry about the lace lifting or blending anything. All you have to do is your edges. So this style has been my go-to with going to the gym and getting in the sauna. It doesn't matter if my hair sweats out. All I have to do is kind of get my edges together, and it never looks too unblended with the hair because again, it's just edges. So really easy. I hope you guys try this out. This is definitely my go-to for in the gym or like the summertime when it's too hot. I know some people prefer like the look of lace, or if you want like a natural style but you don't want your hair out. I personally think this is perfect for that type of look. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think this style is too much maintenance? Is it hard to blend or what? But this is one of my favorites. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you out if you were looking for a way to install your wigs like this. But again, let me know and stay tuned to my channel for more beauty tutorials, and please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.